All right, fifth graders, welcome to the first question on your test. If you're taking a look at this, you may have been confused, so I'm going to run through a couple of things with you right now. Remember that these symbols are the greater than and less than symbol, and the larger part points towards the number that is greater or worth more. This, of course, is the equal sign, and it is used for numbers that are equal. You'll notice that I've put our place value chart that you should have inside your plastic sleeve because it might help you. If I look at this first problem, 4/10 and 1/10, 2/100 and 7/1000, you'll notice that then I can compare. If I was going to cut a cake into tenths, those pieces would be bigger than if I cut the cake into hundredths, and those pieces would be bigger than if I cut the cake into thousandths. So the biggest size pieces are right here. I need to choose the number that is greater. Now, I'm not going to show you the answer, but I will show you an example that will give you an idea. Okay, so let's say I have the numbers 0.3 and 0.09. Okay, so again, I have to look at the part that is the greatest. These are my greatest pieces. I have way more here. I have 3/10. That's 3 more tenths than this. Yes, this is a 9 and that digit is worth more, but it's 9/100ths. If I think about our flats, the big squares, if I think about this being worth 1, this would be like a stick, and this would be like a cube. So if I think about making this number, this would be like 3 sticks, and this is 9 cubes. Yeah, I have more cubes, but the cubes aren't as big. So if I were to write this in a number sentence, it would be 0.3 is greater than 0.09. Okay, so that's one example of how this might work. You can use the words. The thousandths over here would match up way over here with the thousandths place. So you would know how to fill that in. Okay, the tenths obviously is also on our chart. We've got ones, we've got hundredths. Okay, so I'm going to clean this up a little bit. And then we're going to take a look at this one down here. I think E and F was kind of challenging for some people. So here I've got 10 to the third. I know that that means 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3 decimal places have zeros, and then I've got the 1 up here. So I know that 10 to the third is the same as 1,000. Okay, so what this is really telling me right here, I'm going to draw a box around this first step, is that 4 times 10 to the third is like 4 thousandths, 4 thousandths, 4 thousandths. Over here, down this part where I'm circling here, this is a 4 and a thousandth. So that number is 4 thousandth. Notice the TH is indicating of the decimal. The whole number is over here on the whole number side. Try using this chart, especially if you didn't think about this chart when you were taking the test, and work on those comparisons. Good luck!